Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Polish Pickup Weekend starts tomorrow, and today I'll be sharing Glisten Glow's contribution for January 2022. The theme for this month is Spice Rack Condiments, and Glisten Glow's contribution is a polish named Sweet and Low on the Go, plus their glitter grabber. Both of these items will be available at polishpickup.com and only from January 7th at 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time until January 10th at 11:59 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Sweet and Low on the Go is described as a soft, bubblegum pink polish loaded with blue and purple iridescent flakes and added aqua and blue shimmers. It was inspired by the pink sugar substitute that is always within reach at your local coffee shop or restaurant, or in your purse to sweeten your favorite drink or food. Here I applied 3 coats of this polish for full opacity, and I'm going to top off this swatch with a coat of Glisten Glow's top coat for a super glossy finish. So here are 3 coats of Sweet and Low on the Go with the Glisten Glow top coat. Glisten Glow is also going to be offering their popular glitter grabber for January's indie pickup, which is a glitter smoothing polish that helps smooth out any texture from glitters, and it's applied after the polish and before the top coat. I have a full review of the glitter grabber and a comparison to regular top coat, which I'll leave linked down below, but as a quick demo, I applied a couple coats of this chunky glitter polish and sponged on some more for better glitter coverage. Because of the chunky glitters, it dries very textured, so I first applied a layer of the glitter grabber, and you can already see what a difference it makes. On the left is the polish on its own, and on the right is with 1 coat of glitter grabber. To finish it off, I applied a layer of Glisten Glow's top coat, and you can see the texture is smooth and glossy. The price for glitter grabber is $8, and there is no cap. Here on my index and ring fingernails, I have the glitter polish alone, and on the other 2 nails, I have the glitter polish with the glitter grabber and top coat, and you can see the difference in texture with the reflection of my lights. So that's all for today's video. Again, both Sweet and Low on the Go and glitter grabber will be available at polishpickup.com and only from January 7th at 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time until January 10th at 11:59 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. The price for Sweet and Low on the Go is $13, and the price for glitter grabber is $8, and there is no cap for either. I'll leave a link down below to the Polish Pickup shop as well as my other Glisten Glow swatch videos. But anyways, that's all for today, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!